You will find over 20 different parts on the innovative demo board, ranging from 1.27mm surface mount headers to a very innovative combination adapter that transitions from an RJ45 to an M12 IP67 sealed connection, including an interface cable. Let's start with the SM99 and SR99 products using the spring clamp lever that is available in 10 different colors to accommodate your single wire termination across a broad wire range from 16 to 24 gauge. This is definitely one of our most popular products for engineers today and continues to be designed into multiple applications, including HVAC, security, lighting, industrial, among others. The next two parts shown are also very unique as they allow you to avoid costly secondary solder operations by placing a through-hole component into the surface mount pad with the ASM01 and ASM02 series products shown. Note the through-hole capacitor and LED that are inserted quickly and easily after the surface mount reflow soldering operation. The ASM can also accommodate a solid wire insertion instead of a component lead if needed. These two products are specified for a range of lead diameters that covers the most common passive through-hole components on the board. The next few components shown will introduce you to some of our many board-to-board connectors, available in 1.27mm to 2.54mm or 0.1 inch pitch spacing, and in through-hole and surface mount on the board. You will find these parts are available in both single and dual row configurations and are available with a very low profile on the board where needed. Almost every PCB design has a few of this type of product, and we now offer the popular jumpers or shunts to complement the headers where needed. Should you need a special pin length or housing height, just let us know, as we do offer specials and customs at competitive prices and with very reasonable minimums in most cases. These next products on the demo board are quite different from the board-to-board connectors just shown, as they are IP67 sealed PCB connectors. We are showing our Xcode PCB receptacle, an 8-pin part capable of high-speed Ethernet communications when coupled with the mating M12 cables. The Xcode offers up to 10 gigabit data speeds and is compatible for PoE or Power over Ethernet as well. The other PCB connector shown is our IP67 A-code 8-pin male PCB connector. We have included the mating cable assembly for this to show this industrial-style rugged interface the system can offer. We also have the M12 4-pin D-code PCB connectors and cables for Ethernet connections not requiring the shielding and performance of the Xcode connectors. The large part in the middle of the PCB is our unique RJ45 to M12 adapter with many practical uses for high-speed Ethernet cabling. You should note the 8-pin Xcode connector on the bottom of the PCB as a part of this unique adapter to allow Ethernet connections through the walls of an enclosure on the plant floor or as part of a larger panel. Each of these products are perfect for any rugged, indoor, or plant floor type environment for your industrial customers in particular. Now, taking a look at the edge of the demo board, you will find the RJ45 Field Plug Pro. This field-attached connector literally requires no tools to assemble into a ruggedized and reliable Cat6a cable assembly for your customers. We also have an excellent YouTube video that shows the ease and simplicity this product offers for easy and reliable termination for your Cat6a cabling requirements. Check it out! As we turn the corner on the demo board, you will find another very unique and useful connector which offers two very critical connections for many customer applications: the USB and RJ45 stacked combo connector. We can provide this in multiple configurations, but this PCB shows the 2X USB and 1X RJ45 receptacles variation. Other variants include a single-level combo connector if total height above the board is a concern. Next to this combo connector is our standard shielded RJ45 side entry connector, including LEDs. Many options are available for this type of shielded RJ45, including multiple LED colors and combinations, and this part is also available in ganged and stacked versions and in unshielded variations if needed. In addition, keep in mind that we do offer a magnetic jack or mag jack with magnetics included, which can save space on the PCB and improve manufacturability by eliminating the separate transformer on the board. Just ask about this one and we can provide more information. Working our way to the end of this side of the board, the first part shown is our SP995 pluggable terminal block featuring an 8-wire input with common pins to create a 4-pin connector system. It is unique in the industry, and many customers find it solves many issues with their designs when a common wiring interface is required. This part will allow 2 wires per PCB contact, which is often required in some unique design applications. Sitting next to this connector is another unique PCB connector that is actually a one-piece card edge interconnect. The RP995 is extremely unique and offers a flexible screw-type terminal block with useful interconnect options for many customers across multiple industries. Your customer will save space, as this system only requires one connector since it mates to the edge of the PCB. Slide the connector off of the PCB and mate it again to see the interaction of this product on the PCB. Your customers will want to do this as well when you demo the METZ CONNECT demo board for them. Rounding the last edge on the demo board, these next connectors are some of our most popular METZ CONNECT products, and they offer features that are tough for most competitors to match. These spring clamp terminal blocks are very well respected in the industry, and although other companies have this technology, METZ CONNECT's patented lever technology is often considered the best and most reliable termination on the market. You will find the colorful and quite feature-rich AST125 spring clamp terminal block connector. The AST125 is a one-piece PCB terminal block offering 2 solder pins per pole. This connector has buttons instead of levers and has a common connection for the wire entries, leading to common solder pins on the bottom side of the connector. The last product on the demo board is our most well-respected spring clamp pluggable terminal block, highlighting the lever technology in the 2-piece connector system for our ASP045 style terminal block. Your customer will greatly reduce wiring time with improved reliability in the wire termination process as well. Our standard color is black, but as you see on the board, we offer in colors and with printing where required, although some minimum order quantities will apply. Make sure to check out our YouTube video on our website and share this with your customers to highlight the features of our spring clamp terminal block connectors.